Dancehall recording artist Spice went viral with her kids after a clip surfaced online about how her kids know her. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again, and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity School. Dancehall recording artist Spice, one of the premier female figures within our music, which has garnered so much recognition right across the world. She's a star, and a star indeed. Well, the quarantine has brought out many sides of different artists. As you have seen, a lot of them took onto social media as a part of just getting fans acquainted with their own personal life and bringing out another side of them, especially during this pandemic of the COVID. Now, Spice is just one of those, and she has garnered so much fans on her channel Spice World with her kids who were in the pandemic with her, and they have been doing such an extraordinary job on that YouTube platform just in order to captivate the fans and let fans get a look inside the other side of Spice and her wonderful life that she's living. So this is just one of the many in a number of clips that Spice have been doing online, and she has garnered so much fans based on this. However, this clip stands out, and it's one in which that really needs to be highlighted so much, in which Spice gave her kids a chance in order to explore her and just tell how they feel or what they knew about her. So we're going to divulge some of that clip right now to you on Links 007 TV. So we're going to review a clip of Spice right now, and then we'll come back and just give you a sum up of what this is really about. So let's go over to that clip right now.
So this is the score so far. It's Toy Toy 3 and Nico 1. But let's get right into it. Which one of my child do gets the more beating?
Nicholas. That was easy. Toy.
Which?
It's a disrespect in a toy.
Wow.
It's a disrespect. I love that.
Can you give them more trouble?
So you make the people them.
Which side of the bed do I sleep on more?
Right. I watch a YouTube video and you slept on the right, and every time I come in the room you're always on the right.
Alright, so
I knew that, guys, but just that he grabbed the cup before me.
one thing that I drink every day.
Take it up now. Tea bag. He's catching me.
What's the first thing I say when I'm upset?
Yes, man. Put down the cup. Put down the cup, please. Little picnic.
So there you have it, Spice and her kids having so much fun on her channel Spice World. So this is the channel in which Spice does give her fans an inside look of her life, what she's been up to. And in this specific video, Spice also gave her kids that platform in order to explore what they know about her by asking them questions. And this was just such a fun moment within this series of Spice World. You can just go over Spice channel, you can just check the full clip out. It's over there on her platform. It has garnered over 300,000 views already, so you need to go over there, check it out. Spice, big up yourself, one of Jamaica's finest reggae dancehall star to date, and she has been doing her thing, captivating and waving that flag high up in the sky for Jamaica. And I'm telling you, it is just one of those moments when we look on our music, and we really need other figures such as these to just come out and spread the music. You have Shenseea doing her thing, and a number of other recorded artists, Jada Kingdom as well. And these are just some females out there that are doing their thing and spreading and waving that flag high for Jamaica. But this series, Spice World, with her kids, Trust me, you really need to check it out. Wonderful clips over there on Spice World. So this is where we're going to leave you for now. Links 007 TV, Celebrity Scoop. And guess what? We're out for this one once more. Bless.